Hi there, guys. My name's Kalani, and welcome to my channel, Outside with Lonnie Shots. It's been really rainy and dreary here in Texas lately, so I decided to post a throwback video, something I recorded a long time ago, but just never posted. So I hope that you enjoy the warm weather in the video if your location doesn't have warm weather right now. Enjoy. I'm smiling right now because one of the things that I like to do when I am either walking on the treadmill at home or when I'm out here just on a trail in the city is imagine that I am on a through hike or on the PCT, CDT, whatever, and picture these beautiful mountains to the right or left of me. And I love it because I feel like that's like a technique for like bringing things into existence. I can remember before I ever stepped foot on the PCT when I was in flight attendant academy, and I would go upstairs to the gym and I would be on the treadmill, and they had all these different settings and different like places you could choose. And so I would pick like a trail setting, and I didn't know, but part of that, of those pictures that I was looking at, were parts of the PCT. And it was funny because years later, years later, after like getting off the PCT and whatever, I remember getting on a treadmill and going to a setting, and I was like, oh my gosh, like I've actually walked there. Oh my gosh, I've been there. And just having that flashback of me being on the treadmill. Hello.
Hey.
And then realizing that like that actually came to fruition. It actually came true. So that's pretty cool. And there you have it, guys, a snake right there. I wonder what kind of snake that is. I'm gonna walk right past it because I don't want no beef. Yep, you keep going that way, buddy. No, don't turn back around. That's really funny because I was just in my brain thinking about snakes and making sure that I need to like watch out for them. I remember when I was on the PCT how my partner, well, Renee, she always hiked in front of me. So she always got the brunt of most of the snakes and I never really saw any. But then once we split up, I started seeing lots of snakes. So I had to talk to God and I was like, look, help me. because I don't want to be scared every time I come upon a snake. Like, help me to just, be cool with it and let them do their thing and I do my thing. And it's funny because God will answer your questions. He will answer your prayers. So you be careful what you ask for. Because I remember right after that, I kept seeing lots of snakes. And I was like, all right, God, thank you. I appreciate it. I feel like I do better now whenever I see one. Yeah, let me see where I'm going on this trail. Sun's coming out, guys. That bridge feels a little unstable. Yes, I see you. Of course, you can't see it now that I'm, but, whew, about to fall over. I just went up a bunch of uphill. It's good stuff right there. I was gonna do 5 miles today, but I changed my mind. Plus, it's almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I don't want to get caught in traffic. So, and I have to go to the store. So I'm gonna head back to the parking lot. Hi there.
Hello, cutie.
Just like that, we're done.